Hi Crafty Peeps, Enis here, and I'm so excited to be able to share with you a walkthrough of all of the projects that I've completed for the Valentine craft swap that I'm doing with my mom and my sister. All of these projects were created with either the Pink Champagne Hot Buy paper pad from Michaels that I picked up a year or two ago, and the True Love paper pad from Little Birdie Crafts that I got, I think, a year ago this month. So anyway, I'm not going to give a lot of detail because you can always check the playlist for my Craft With Me videos for these projects, and also a lot of the dyes and other products that I use to create them. So with that, I'm going to get started with the walkthrough. So I'm going to start here with this absolutely beautiful Gatefold Valentine card. It closes with the belly band and opens up, and inside you have the surprise pop-up platform section. You can use this to put gift cards or photos underneath. You can decorate however you want, but I think the simple design for Valentine's Day was just perfect for my mom and my sister. So that is that. And then I made this very adorable Hugs and Kisses treat box. It's decorated with some little birdie flowers, some ribbon from my stash, a couple of cutouts that I used dies from KSCrafts, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a little dangle. I added a little dangle on there with a little pink heart. I've decorated the packaging with a glittered heart pick that I got from the Dollar Tree and just cut it off so it would fit on there. And I filled it up with some pink shred and some Hershey Kisses and sweetheart candy. So I think they'll appreciate getting that little treat. And then I have this totally adorable trim sampler. And this was some lace I had in my stash, some pearl trim I had, and a couple Dollar Tree ribbons that I picked up this year. I added a little Dollar Tree heart pick in there and just made a bow from ribbon from my stash, and it is topped off with some snow, pink with snow on it mesh that I got from Dollar Tree. I did make this bag topper on my Cricut machine and just added some Dollar Tree trim, and this here is actually cut out hearts, and what I did was I added some gold foil cardstock on the back so you can see the gold stars through there. So that really looks pretty. I like that. And then I put together this packet here, and this one I'm actually going to open up. This is the set of Valentine cards. And if you go to my playlist under cards or under Craft With Me, you will see my directions on how to make these cards. I gave 3 to my mom and 3 to my sister. I also took some of the cut aparts from the Pink Champagne paper collection and just tucked those in so that they have those to use for their own crafting. Plus they can use this backing piece for crafting as well. So what I did was I took one of the pieces of paper from the Pink Champagne collection, cut it to size, used my corner rounder to round off the corners, folded it over, and then just used gold thread and stitched the sides to make this cute pocket. Made a little bow from some Dollar Tree trim I picked up and inserted my cards. So these are the cards my mom is going to get that she can use to give to her friends. So we have this pretty foil one, it says True Love, and I heat embossed the tree. Okay, and then this piece here is, I used a, I don't think this was a 3D impression die, embossing folder. I think it was just a regular heart embossing folder, but that turned out really pretty. And then I made this cute card, and this is just a couple of scrap pieces of the paper and some stickers from the Dollar Tree, and then I cut this foil banner out of Cricut gold foil glitter cardstock. So that's really cute. And the last card that I'm made to give to her is this beautiful black and gold and pink card that says Love Always. This image here was one of the cut aparts from the the True Love collection. Actually, all of the cards were made basically with the True Love collection from Little Birdie Crafts. So that's really pretty. And then I just used a die and cut out some hearts there. So I'm going to tuck those back inside of here. And this heart banner, or this bag topper, I should say, I actually just cut a piece of cardstock to fit, scored it down the center, took a piece of lace trim and glued it on, and then just added a Little Birdie Craft flower on there, and that makes a really pretty presentation. And then I have this, and I saved this for last because there's so much in here. I did make this dangle here, and I'm just so proud of it. I haven't made a lot of dangles, and I had a lot of fun putting this together. We got a heart with some pink stones in it. There's a bird in here. There's another little heart in here someplace. And then this cute little ball on the end with the love note envelopes and the little hearts and sprinkles in there. So that's really pretty. And then I decorated the front of it with a rosette that I made, added some Dollar Tree goodies on the front, and a KSCraft die that's a little shaker, so she can take this off and use it in one of her projects. And it is closed off with a piece of ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Then on the inside, I have this love. I think this is the Shabby Chic banner from KSCrafts, and I have a little birdie flower, a Lena Craft key on there, and some other little trims that I got from the Dollar Tree or from my stash. Then I made another rosette with a cutout on it. In the pocket here, I tucked in a little package of, these are the KSCrafts wax seal heart dies. So those are really pretty. So put that in there for her. Okay. And then on this side, we have the heart shaker closure tag, and that's really pretty. And I just used one of the word dies on there and some ribbon from my stash, along with a little flat back pearl that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a little pocket up here, and in there I just tucked in a number of cutouts or cut aparts, and giving her some Valentine word dies, so she can use those to make some projects. Then on this page, I made a sequin mix, just zigzag stitched around the bag with some gold thread. And I created this little love flag, and I think this was a KSCraft die. I didn't do a video on this, but it's so simple, you can figure it out. And I just topped it off with a little flat back pearl on there. And then I have another little shaker here. This is the hot cocoa mug, and I turned it into a Valentine shaker. And you can see I've got those cute little envelopes and some hearts and lips and some other little goodies in there. And on the last page, I have a couple bows that I made on my Cricut machine. So these designs come from Design Space, and I just centered off them with some flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. And in this pocket, I have some more little cutouts in there. So anyway, that is the walkthrough of all of the beautiful projects and goodies that I've made for my mom and my sister for Valentine's Day. For each of them to use in their own crafting or keep for their own selves. And I'm really excited to see what they're going to send me. And when I receive their packages, I will probably post videos of that too, so you can see what kind of crafty goodies they've come up with. And with that, I'm going to say good night. Have a good evening. Thank you for stopping by. I'd love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next crafty video. Goodbye, Crafty Peeps.